how to solve Steam must be running to play this game. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, go here on our desktop. And then the next thing that we need to do is to search for Steam on our search bar. So just search Steam right here and then click open file location. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to right click on it and then click properties. In this part, go here on the compatibility and then make sure that you disable full screen optimizations and then run this program as an administrator and then click apply and then click OK. After that, all you have to do is to just launch the Steam app right here and then try to play the game that you're trying to play. However, if it is still not working, then the next thing that we need to do is to open our Steam right here and then go into our library and then go here on this part. So just look for the game that you're having problem with. So let's say for example that this is the game that we're having problem with. So all you have to do is to just right click on the game and then click on properties. Once you do that, go here on the installed files and then click verify integrity of game files right here. So they will check if there are corrupted files right here. And then if there are, then they will try to fix it. And then once you're now done with this, all you have to do is to just try and then open the game through the Steam app. So all you have to do is to right click on it and then click the play button. However, if it is still not working, then the next thing that we need to do is to make sure that our Steam is up to date. So go here on the Steam, click that, and then click this check for Steam client updates. If you see that there is a newer version of the Steam, make sure that you download it. And then once you do that, try to restart your PC or laptop and then see if it is now working. However, if it is still not working, then the next thing that we need to do is to go into our search bar and then search for firewall. And then click this Windows Defender Firewall right here. And then click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. In this part, what we're going to do is to click Change Settings, is to just scroll down right here and then look for Steam. So currently, here is my Steam right here. Make sure that both private and public is enabled. So currently, my Steam is currently on private and public. However, if you don't see your Steam right here, let's say for example that Steam is not located in this part where it should be, then you can add or allow an app by just going here and clicking allow another app right here, and then just browse for the Steam app in your drive. After that, once you do that, once you've enabled private and public network right here, just click OK, and then that should fix your problem. However, if it is still not working, go here on the search bar and then search for run, and then just search for percent local app data percent like this one, and then click enter. In this part, I just look for Steam, which is right here. So all you have to do is to delete the folder. So right click on it and then click delete. So before you delete it, make sure that Steam is not open. So let me close that. And then once you close that, try to delete the file again. And then once you do that, just restart your PC or laptop and then try to open your game once again. And then that should fix your problem. So that is basically it. That is how to solve the Steam must be running to play this game.